Example 3.3e, another public exam questions. Let's see. This time is about folding paper question. In the figure, a paper card ABC, this one, in the shape of an equilateral triangle of the size 24 cm, is folded to form a paper aeroplane. That means this one, okay, and fold up to form a paper aeroplane. D, E, F are points on edges BC, okay. D, E, F on this side, okay, on the edge ABC. And BD, DE, EF, and FC all are the same. The airplane is formed by folding the paper card along the lines AD, AE, AF, so that AD and AF coincide. Okay, AD, AF coincide, then will form the paper airplane. Okay, it is supported by two vertical sticks, BM and CN, of equal length, so that A, B, D, F, C lie on the same plane. A, B, D, F, C here, two sticks with the same height or equal length, then make this plane, okay, on the same plane. N, A, E, M, N, A, E, M, N. These 4 points on the same horizontal ground, okay. Understand? So we have a paper with this 4 equal sign, and then fold up this 3 lengths, and then AD, AF coincide, you form this aeroplane, paper aeroplane. Next, 2 sticks here, and make sure we'll let this 5 points on the same plane. This is the top wheel. Okay. Question A. Find the distance between the tip B and C of the wings of an airplane. That means here, this one and this one. What is the distance about this? Okay. So maybe not easy to understand, but at least we know about how to fold this paper airplane. Okay, so let's see. Here we have 4 different not different, 4 same lengths, right? And then to fold this paper airplane. Then about the top wheel, here is the top wheel. That means here 24, right? And each length 24 divided by 4. Here is 24, because this one is an equilateral triangle, okay? So this one 24, 24, okay? 6 and 6, right? So if we now have this one, that means we need to find the length of this, the tip B, C of the wings of the airplane. Okay, that means if we know this angle, then we can find the airplane of the wings. I mean the distance between the tips of the wings. Okay, do you know how to find this angle? That means this angle or this angle. Okay, then someone will think that this part is it the angle divided by 4. If you have this thinking, it's better for you to use a paper to help you. Now you're not in examination, so you can try by yourself to use a paper to fold. Okay, remember this 4 parts, we need to make all these 4 lengths equals. Okay, B, D, D, E, E, F, F, C. So you can fold up and fold this paper airplane. In the examination, actually you can ask for the draft paper and you can use the paper to fold it by yourself. Okay, the draft paper not only your draft calculation, you can use one more and then to fold it by yourself. Okay, let's see how to find this one. Okay, maybe better for us to find out this length AD, then later on we can find the angle BAD. Okay, so this one 6. Okay, let's see. Now part A. In the triangle ABD, find AD first. AD squared equals AB squared plus BD squared minus 2AB BD. Cosine angle ABD. Okay, 24 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 24 times 6. Cosine 60 degrees. Okay, clear? Because here is 6, 24. Okay, so remember this one is 60 degrees. Okay, then 468, right? So AD equals 21.6 cm. If you use insert form, 6 with 13 cm. Okay, then we can find the angle BAD now by sine formula. Sine angle BAD over BD. Sine formula. This angle related to BD and this 60 degree related to AD, right? So this one sine angle ABD over AD. So sine angle BAD equals 6 times sine 60 degrees over just now 6 root 13. Okay, you can substitute the values. Right, at the end, angle BAD equals 13.9 degrees. Okay, yeah, now we know about this one. Okay, I draw the top view here. More easy for us to find. Okay, this one actually okay, maybe draw it like this. This one is B and this one is C and A. Here's the top view of paper airplane. and this one right angle. And now BAD 13.9 degrees, right? 13.9 degrees. And I mark this one as K. So the distance between the tips of the wings, that means this distance. Okay, any idea? You can use this triangle actually, right? So do you know BK? Yeah, that means 2 times BK. And you found that BK actually BK over BA equals sine angle BAD, right? So you found that BK equals 24 sine angle BAD, right? So here 24 times sine 13.9 degrees. So 2 times 24 times 0.2402. At the end, 11.5 cm. If you want to use in the sub form, will become like this. Okay? So you see that really hard to find the distance between two tips because you need to think about this one and use this figure. So I draw it once again, and here you know BK, you can use this simple right angle triangle to do this one. Okay, so find the angle first by using cosine formula and sine formula. Then we can find angle BAD. Afterward, use this simple right angle triangle to find the length between two tips. Understand? Part B. Part B. Now, find the inclination of the wings of the airplane to the horizontal ground. That means here, if this one is a plane here, then what is the inclination? Actually, it's better for us to draw another figure. Okay, like this. Here is A, here is D, and here is E. Do you know why I write this one? Because this one, actually, you think that DA, if you project on the plane here, actually is EA. AD project on the horizontal plane is AE. So this one, you'll find that right angle. And the inclination actually is this one, right? So here, 6 root 13, just now we know that about AD, right? And DE, we don't know. Actually, we know. Do you know why? Here, because this length divided by 4, so DE actually here. So it's 6. That means, okay, let's see. Inclination of the wings to the horizontal ground is angle DAE. DAE or angle FAE. Okay? Therefore, sine angle DAE equals 6 over 6 root 13. Angle DAE equals 16.1 degrees. So the inclination of the wings to the horizontal ground is 16.1 degrees, correct to 3 significant figures. Understand? Okay. Part C. Okay, the last question. The length of the stick CN. The length of the stick CN. Okay. Try to think about this figure and this figure. Just now D project on D, right? If we want to find CN, actually you can say that also is BM. If here K we have a stick, K to the ground also can be the length, right? So I need to draw one more figure. And let us understand clearly. If here is A, D, and E, okay, and K here, K, I mark it as Y, okay, KY, or, okay, I just use X also can be, okay, part C. I let K be the midpoint of the wings tips. Okay, so in triangle ABK, cosine angle BAD equals AK over 24. Cosine angle BAD. Okay, BAD. Then we can use AK over 24. AK over 24. This one over this one, right? So AK equals 24 cosine 13.9 degrees, 23.3. If you use the surf form, is this one, okay? Then now we can use this figure. Actually, this one, both are the right angle triangle. So in a triangle AKX, CN actually equals to height of point K to the ground. That means just now I say that is KX, right? So AK sine angle DAE. Okay? So you found that 23.297. This one actually is this. It's better to write more, some more decimal. And then times 6 over 21.633. At the end, 6.46 cm. Answer is 84 over 13. You found that. Okay. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So you can think about this one. About the top wheel And about the inclination, then can extend this one as kx. Then we can find Cn. Maybe first you think that ACN, can it draw a triangle or not? However, you only have one information is AC. Okay, Cn you don't know, you need to find AN. You also are not easy to find it. Okay, inclination already showed you in part B. So we can make use of this one, and then to extend it, more easy to find the height of the stick or the length of the stick. Okay? You can have a look once again. Hope you understand clearly. And remember to do the classwork and the homework of 3D problems. Practical problems, you can do more